wouldn't say it's racist. Again, we've never claimed her. I didn't think she was trying to be Latina.
You didn't ever think she was trying to be?
No.
Even though she successfully fooled me?
No, not you. I think my people, we smelled it a mile away. Like, not one of ours.
Oh, interesting. Well, then it feels like even like a different thing too, right? Because I feel like, well, first of all, obviously, like Latino folks in general, they're like with the stand-up thing, there is like the culture of, you know, sort of like a not parallel entertainment industry, but you know, there's like Latina singers, like often maybe it's like Spanish language or whatever, so it's like, you know, more like for that audience.
Yeah, she didn't throw like Spanish language album out. She didn't try to sneak in some Spanish phrase. She wasn't doing Al Pacino and Carlito's way. Then I was like, hold on, hold up.
Although that's probably kind of weird, but it is a weird thing where she is, I think, leaning into like person of colorness enough to fool white people, but not people of color, or not like Latinos anyways.
I mean, I'll claim dumb and white on this one because
people of color can tell, like, she's not being profiled by the cops. She's not one of us.
I'm just wondering. I'm like, did she like pull off like the perfect middle ground where she's like brown facing it enough for white people, but not so much that she's actually doing it?
I mean, maybe because
needle thread.
I could be the tiniest minority. Like probably everyone in the world knows this, and maybe just because I'm not such a huge fan of hers and like don't follow that type of pop culture, it doesn't. I just glanced at her and assumed, but maybe no one else is confused.
Right. We should do a Twitter poll.
Let us know. Twitter. What do you think? No, please. I don't want her name typed that much in conjunction with our show. It will bring out the stands. Please, everyone, do not talk to us about this.
Everyone shut the fuck up. Everyone take this episode, listen to this episode, snap your phone
and have thrown in a link.
And pretend you never heard any of this shit.
I think we need to open up a racist spray tanning place.
That's true. What, you know, given that white people are never going to give up on doing blackface, like, would it be irresponsible for at least people of color to make money from the blackface?
Oh,
just like if you're gonna do blackface, get a black person to do it for you.
Yeah. Or we come out with our own line of products.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
Latina spray tans, blackface cream. Oh, yes, guys, we can.